I am going to make a tool holder for my lathe tools to mount on the wall behind my lathe. I made some little clips, and hopefully this goes well. I'm using a 1.5 inch Forstner bit. A Forstner bit looks like that, if anyone doesn't know. I'm going to drill on these lines. I've done 2 to show you how it's going to look. I clamped a piece of wood to my drill press, so I know I have it in the same position almost every time. And I put a little mark on the wood that lines up with the lines I drew to drill on, so I can just keep going one after another. There we go. I got 16 holes drilled. I got the corners squared off. I drilled 5 pocket holes with my Kreg Jig, which is amazing. If you don't have one, get one, because you'll use it just because it's awesome. And I'm gonna put this down on the bottom here, and then I'll start working on the rail. There we have it. I haven't screwed them down yet, but I drilled some holes, and that's about how they're gonna be, something like that. So I can add some of these full-size tools if I want. And then I'm going to have the full length rail for these guys, and then I have this rail for the minis. You never know, I might add some more, and then this is going to be for the magical skew in case I get a second or third one. Alright, let's take a look. These are just basically pieces of plastic with a bolt slot printed right in the end. I mean a nut slot, so you can take a new nut and put it right in there, and this bolt will thread right into there. Okay, I'm ready to put this thing together. I got my new pieces printed with a nut in the end, so they're more, so you can tighten them better. Got my rails ready with the holes drilled, and I'm gonna assemble it. So, I got all the stuff set up here. I think we're good to go. I'm going to put these tools on here and show you how it all works. Alright, there it is, all set up. Now I just got to mount it to the wall, and we're good to go. So I got my lathe tool holder all mounted, and got it bolted to the wall, ready to go, ready to use. We should be good. So here's the final setup. I have room for 2 more tools here if I want them, and yeah. Cool. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time.